Welcome to Mystic Divine Life 2020. My name is Sonia. Thank you for checking in. This is a Pisces energy reading for the Starseed, Lightworkers, and Twinflames. Let's get started right away, Pisces. Let's see what you need to know today. Okay, so we have here the Four of Wands, Seven of Swords in reverse, Knight of Cups, King of Cups, the Moon, and Nine of Swords. This reading is about you and your person need to be on the correct path of your truth, of coming out of those rooted beliefs, getting out of those old patterns, which are due to a consequence of your upbringing. And I say consequence because what you take action now in the physical realm is not your truth, is what you have been brought up to follow due to rooted beliefs, due to having this codependency of not having or having what you wanted as a child or being heard. All of these energies you start suppressing within you, which stops you from really acting on your wishes and desires, not recognizing your truth, stopping and avoiding to shine the light, the truth of situations that has invaded your privacy or your feeling frequency of truth, of fulfillment. There's some stuck energy that you need to release, that you're still in your thoughts about, and is hurting you deep inside, and is stopping you from seeing the truth, the reality of who you are within. Is stopping you from connecting with your higher self. It's keeping you in an illusion state. You might be feeling confused of this path that you're here to follow, that you're here to be in, to teach others of how to get out of this poor mentality, victim mentality, of not feeling worthy of receiving good, or not even recognizing good situations that are coming your way. Situations, opportunities, people, things. Okay, you're unable to recognize this, but it's due to the sneaky behavior that you're suggested to come out of, so that you can find that fulfillment, to learn to fulfill your own wants and desires, and to release, to remove that mask, and to release that what's that word, that guard that you've put, that protection mechanism to not get hurt. By being aware of this and learning to transmute that energy, you will be able to be in your truth, take action towards your truth, and receive more enlightenment into what you need to take action in, of how to be in your mission, how to be in mission and in your path, in your purpose. All of these emotions have been coming up into your awareness so that you can start taking the action to make change, to change your feeling frequency especially. But you're scattering around the houses of doing a little bit and not committing to yourself to come out of these rooted beliefs that are keeping you stuck, that are keeping you having sleepless nights and mental anguish in regards your current physical situation, or even feeling frequency, negative feeling frequencies that you're in at the moment. You and your person need to be on the path of your twin flame journey, to come out of these rooted beliefs and to be in your truth, to find that fulfillment for yourself, which is union with yourself, independently, separately, but you lead. When you start making the changes, your person will feel these changes inward in their inner state, because you're both energetically connected, and this will help the masculine gather their strength to take action and make changes in the physical, which will be a reflection of the inner work that you're doing, of what you've been releasing and understanding and opening up to. Okay, if you're new to the inner work and of how to live in the alchemical elements and the universal laws, check out the Twin Flame Union program. There you will be there you will be able to understand how you were brought up to follow beliefs, traditions, culture, religion, these situations, these things that are not of your own, which is a mask of not letting you see the truth of who you are. Okay, everything that's put on upon you is a mask to not show your truth, to not be in your truth. So what I'm teaching here is for you to understand this and to gain the strength to remove this mask of illusion, of codependency, of following rooted traditions, culture, religion, rooted beliefs that is stopping you from being in your truth, which is a mask that you need to remove. And the way to remove it is, when you start doing the inner work, you will be shown the way of how to release it by going into the dark night of the soul. This dark night of the soul is for you to reflect on and to recognize all this codependency and expectations, addictions that you're holding on to not face the truth, the reality of what you've been through from your upbringing and in past relationships. All of this is stemmed from your upbringing. So whatever negative situation that you experienced is due to how you were brought up, how you were raised, of following culture, religions, and traditions. Also being neglected, being not being heard. All of this affects you and wounds you, and all of these negative feelings you start suppressing, and you start believing that you're in your truth when you're not, when it's only a mask that you put on, portraying something that you're not. Okay, so now let's see what the aliens have to say. Stop procrastinating, time to start mission. Twinflame mission program. Twinflame website is down in my description box if you're ready to take action and to be in your truth and to learn more about who you are and how to become a free sovereign being. Check out Twinflame page, the Twinflame website down in my description box. Throughout Venus of expression, choice, follow your dreams, faith, and trust in life. The truth of the matter of who you are is by speaking your truth and being in your truth, by following the alignment from the crown down to your third eye, seeing clearly of what you're being aware of, and taking action into what you're feeling intuitively. Okay. Now let's see what your person has to say. Okay, I struggle to open up. This is what came up in my reading. You have put on a wall of protection mechanism. I hate how long it's been since I've seen you. I will message you soon. Okay. The Twinflame Master Program will help you connect dots with your upbringing of situations that you might not recognize, that you're following some patterns that you have learned to. It's a protection mechanism that you put on to protect yourself from getting hurt, from feeling that pain. And so the Twinflame Master Program will help you see this in you, and these situations are stopping you from believing in yourself, in fulfilling your own wants and needs, and feeling courageous and coming out strong into your truth. Okay, so if you want to learn more, check out my description box. Also check out the Twinflames in my subscription list. They're all here in mission, the same as I am. We're here offering the tools that can help you be in union with yourself and find that fulfillment within yourself before coming in union with your person. So thank you for checking in, and see you next time.